Welcome back to Biker Wish. If you're someone who loves the idea of adventure, but still wants a bike that feels easy, practical, and fun every single day, then today's video is gonna hit different. What if I told you Honda is bringing a machine in 2026 that looks like a mini adventure tourer, rides like a street bike, and fits perfectly into real life? Yes, we're talking about the Honda CB200X 2026. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know whether this could be your next ride. The 2026 Honda CB200X continues Honda's smart approach of blending adventure styling with everyday usability. At first glance, it looks inspired by big ADV bikes, but don't let the size fool you. This bike is clearly built for riders who want confidence, comfort, and versatility without dealing with heavy weight or intimidating power. Honda knows not everyone wants a massive adventure bike, and the CB200X feels like a direct answer to that need. Design-wise, the CB200X 2026 looks sharper and more mature than before. The tall windscreen, muscular fuel tank, upright stance, and aggressive front beak give it a proper adventure bike vibe. Honda has refined the graphics and body panels to make it feel premium, not budget. This is the kind of bike that turns heads in city traffic and still looks ready for a weekend escape. Under the tank, the Honda CB200X 2026 is expected to carry a refined 200cc engine tuned for smooth performance and efficiency. Honda's focus here isn't wild top speed, it's usable power. The throttle response feels friendly, the engine stays calm at cruising speeds, and it delivers enough punch for highways without stressing the rider. This makes it ideal for beginners as well as experienced riders who want a relaxed ride. One of the biggest strengths of the Honda CB200X is riding comfort. The upright seating position, wide handlebar, and well-padded seat make long rides surprisingly easy. Whether you're commuting daily or riding for hours on the highway, the bike doesn't fight you. Honda has clearly designed this motorcycle for real-world comfort, not just showroom appeal. Suspension and handling are another strong point. The long travel suspension helps the CB200X handle broken roads, speed breakers, and light off-road patches with confidence. It doesn't pretend to be a hardcore off-roader, but for rough city roads and weekend trails, it feels stable and controlled. The lightweight chassis keeps the bike easy to manage, even for shorter or new riders. When it comes to features, the Honda CB200X 2026 plays it smart. Expect a modern digital instrument cluster with clear readouts, LED lighting for better visibility, and essential safety tech like ABS. Honda focuses on reliability and practicality rather than gimmicks, and that's exactly why many riders trust the brand. Fuel efficiency is another area where the CB200X shines. Honda engines are known for sipping fuel, and this bike is no exception. You get the adventure bike look without the adventure bike fuel bills. For daily riders and tourers alike, that balance is a huge win. So who is the Honda CB200X 2026 really for? It's for riders who want adventure styling without sacrificing comfort, reliability, and affordability. It's for city commuters who dream of weekend rides. And it's for anyone who wants a stress-free, confidence-boosting motorcycle that just works. In the end, the Honda CB200X 2026 isn't about being the fastest or the biggest, it's about being one of the smartest choices in its segment. If you're looking for a practical, adventure-styled bike that fits real life, this might just be the one to watch. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Biker Wish, and drop a comment telling us would you pick the Honda CB200X 2026 for your next ride? We'll see you in the next one.